Hey guys, what's going on? So, week after the drift event and the SR blew up, and if you guys haven't seen the super video where I got destroyed in my E92 M3, go check that out, because I'm about to show you my E92 M3, and here she is. So it's Interlagos Blue, I think is what they call it. I don't know, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, looks pretty sick. I went ahead and already put a competition spoiler on it, so that looks good. And it is a dual clutch, much easier to drive around town than a manual, not gonna lie. And the shifts are absolutely insane. So this is the interior. Show that off a little bit. It's just black. Got the nice M on the headrest, and yeah, so that's interior. And for those of you not familiar with this car, I'm assuming if you click on this video you are, but it is a 4-liter V8, which is super cool because there's just no cars like this really anymore. And today we're going to be installing a new muffler. It is the stock muffler, but it has been cut open and modified. I'll put a tiny little clip of that right here. And yeah, so Mod Bargains is the company that did mine, and we're just going to be throwing that on today. Should be pretty simple, just a couple exhaust hangers, 2 bolts back there. I'm charging the impact up right now, but we're gonna go ahead and get a sound clip. I'm just revving it stock, that way you guys can hear the difference. And then once this whole install is done, make sure you guys stick around, because we're gonna go rip this thing a little bit, get some cool sounds, and yeah. So that's my E92 M3. Alright, that is the sound clip. Do not worry, the car is warm. I'm just gonna prove it, because I know a lot of people get upset when people rev cold cars, but I'm not that type of dude. Look at that, she's already warm. So yeah, that is stock exhaust. Sounds honestly pretty good for stock car, but yeah, we're about to change it up. First thing we're gonna do is let this exhaust cool down, because I'm not trying to burn myself. And also, here's the new muffler. So like I said, it's just a stock muffler. What they do is they cut it open right here, and there's 2 perforated pipes on each side. They cut those out, weld in 2 straights, seal this back up. They pack all that weird mesh stuff back in. And yeah, so it's stock exhaust, bolts right up, and then stock tips, everything like that. So this should be a fairly simple install, but we all know how that goes, so hopefully it just works. But yeah, so once the car cools down, we're gonna start ripping. Impacts on the charger over here, Milwaukee tools, lifesavers like always. And yeah, another really cool thing about this car is not those vents. I mean, they are cool, but well, has a hood scoop, so that's pretty cool right there, pretty good size. But anyway, this car does not have a sunroof, so therefore it has the carbon fiber roof option. And it's full carbon, it's not an overlay or anything, it's actual carbon fiber roof. And that also opens up a lot of headroom in here, so if I wanted to track this thing, I have plenty of helmet space and all that. So yeah, just a cool little thing about this car. Got it all up on the ramps, ready to go, as you can see right here. And now I'm just gonna start unbolting everything and then bolting everything back up, because it should be that simple. Hopefully I don't run into any problems, I guess we'll see, but got plenty of room under there. Started raining, so not sure about ripping it today, but definitely gonna get a couple rips in, some sound clips. So we're going under here. looks like we got 2 bolts on this side, same thing for the other side. And then 2 hangers up towards the rear, 2 hangers up front, and 2 clamps, and then this thing should be out. Alright, well, never done this before with the whole GoPro on the head deal, so you guys will have to let me know what you think of this angle, if you can even see anything. But I went ahead, took these off, and these are already loose. Oh crap, it's already slipping off. Slip it back on here. All right, and then I couldn't get these off, so I just unbolted them, and if you guys can see that, I'm just gonna pull the actual hanger off when it's off the car, because it's on the exhaust right now. Basically all I have left is these 4 bolts, and then those 2 hangers right there. And oh nice, started raining again. Hopefully I don't get wet while I'm sitting in here. Dang, that was violent. Looks like I got it though. Like I need a 13 deep. Now, I wonder how well you guys can see this. Hey. Okay, yeah, it started raining a lot. How am I gonna rip? How am I gonna rip in this? Alright, anyway, back to this. Got my 13 deep right here. Oh, yep, there goes some. Why is this so violent? That's weird. There's like a little ground on the exhaust. Okay. Last one there. So now I believe it is just 2 hangers and should be good. Dang, the exhaust would actually look sick if it was angled like this. Except it'd burn the bumper pretty bad. Oh, there's that other nut for that one. Alright, so anyway, plan here. I'm just gonna take off this bracket and then I'll go up there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's 2 13s up there. Take those off. Whole thing should just come right off. There we go. This is tough. Oh shoot, I'm scared. This thing could clock me in the head. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Oh, that's heavy. Okay. Alright. Alright, that's it. She's off. And if you guys aren't aware, anytime you take any part of an exhaust off, you have to start it to see what it sounds like. So we're gonna do that right now. Ooh. Oh my god. If that's what it's gonna sound like, wow. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh my god, if that's what it's gonna sound like. That's insane. That's insane. Alright, I gotta get this on right now. Holy crap. Oh, sorry. You guys probably only see bumper right now, but oh my god. That sounds insane. Okay, so sorry, let me readjust. Okay, that's off. Sounds beautiful. And what I'm gonna do now is start transferring hangers over. Like this whole bracket actually needs to come over to go onto that one. So I'll do that, and then those hangers, and we'll be good to go. We'll throw that on, and oh my god, it sounds insane. All right, it's raining on me out here, but Just gotta take these grounds off, or whatever they are, and we're good to go. All right, now I'm just gonna put this under the car, start getting it where it needs to be, and then I'll lift it all up. Oh my God, it's heavy. Heavy, good to go. We got Brandon here, and we're putting this thing in right now. Okay, so it's on right now. It's not completely hooked up. I hope you can hear me all right, but no exhaust leaks, everything's good. Sounds insane. Let me turn this off real quick. All right. Okay, turned off. The problem we were having was these pipes. I guess one of them must have got bent in shipping or something. So this one was shorter. It was probably right about here compared to this, like being up here. If that makes sense. Probably not, but yeah. So basically, took a lot of shoving and stuff, but it's on now. It doesn't leak. Everything's really tight. So I'm just gonna put the final hangers on, button everything up, and then let it warm up and go drive it around a little bit, get some exhaust clips. Yeah. Sounds sick. Okay, so ended up getting it finished yesterday. Ended up raining, like I said, but we're just gonna rip it today, and it's all on. Everything fits really good now. There was that issue I was saying where they were different sizes because it got bent, but what happened was, like, once it got warm, it kind of worked its way back. So everything fits great now. It's just a hair off side to side, but I'm not really worried about that at all. And yeah, so super happy with how it turned out and sounds. So let's go rip it a little bit. All right, I'm gonna do this one-handed, so here we go. She sounds good. Hopefully that GoPro's still on there. I'm just gonna put some raw exhaust clips in so you guys can just enjoy the sound. And then, yeah. Okay, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think of this car and how it sounds, and if you guys want more videos of it on the channel, please let me know. Either way, I'm gonna keep making them. Just suggest some ideas or anything you guys want to know about this car. But anyway, the exhaust turned out amazing. Couldn't be happier with it. As you can tell in the clips, it sounds really good. It does need to be a little louder though, because I like my cars pretty loud. And yeah, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.